Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone from Twitter or X. So before I was showing you how to block someone on Twitter/X, you have to know that blocked accounts cannot follow you, view your post when logged in on X, find your post in search when logged in on X, send DMs to you, view your following and followers list, and so on and so forth. So make sure you understand what block means on X. But if you are sure you want to block someone on X, all you have to do is go to their account, or if you see their post in the timeline, you can just select three dots here next to the post, and under mute you can set block. You can also mute the person. This is a little bit different, but if you want to block them, just simply select block and you have to confirm that you want to block them. They will not be able to follow you or view your post, and you will not see post or notifications from that person. So if you are sure, click on block and you successfully block that person. You can also unblock the account if you change your mind. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.